Hi, my name is Nazifa Binti Ahmad Rashdan and my Matric number is 289993. Now I will present my topic on procurement process and supply chain. The procurement process is the systematic approach to acquiring goods and services for an organization. It involves planning, sourcing, negotiating, and managing supplier relationship to ensure efficient and cost-effective procurement that supports the overall business objective. First, we need to understand on how supply chain work. In procurement process, an organization needs to build a supplier network. Supplier network is the interconnected group of vendors, manufacturers, and distributors that work together to deliver products and services to the end customers. Transportation also is important in delivering the materials or goods to the organization. This involves optimizing routes and coordinating schedules. Moreover, strategic planning and continuous improvement initiatives are essential to adapt to changing market demands and mitigate potential disruptions. Optimizing inventory levels is key to maintaining the right balance between availability and cost, avoiding stock outs or excess inventory. This requires a strategic approach that involves understanding demand patterns, supplier lead times, and inventory holding costs. Moreover, there are 3 procurement strategies and best practices. The first one is to have a strategic sourcing where an organization needs to analyze spend, consolidate suppliers, and leverage the organization purchasing power to negotiate better terms and pricing. By implementing strategic sourcing, organization can achieve significant cost savings and improve the efficiency of their procurement processes. Second is contract management, where the organization need to establish clear agreements that outline expectation, responsibility, and performance metrics to ensure a successful supplier relationships. This involves a regular monitoring and evaluation of supplier performance against these agreed metrics to identify any issues promptly. Third is to have continuous improvement, which they need to have a regular review and optimize procurement processes to identify and address inefficiencies, reduce costs, and enhance value. Now, I will talk about on how to make a supplier selection and evaluation. First, organization need to provide a qualification criteria to assess a supplier capabilities, quality, delivery performance, and financial stability. Second is risk assessment, where organization need to evaluate potential risks associated with each supplier, such as supply disruption, compliance issue, or reputational concerns. Lastly, an organization needs to do the ongoing monitoring to review supplier performance and maintain open communication to identify opportunities for improvement. Next is contract negotiation and management in supply chain management. In order to get a good supplier that can give a good prices, the person of the organization need to deal with their contract negotiation. This includes they need to clearly define the terms, pricing, delivery schedule, and performance expectation to ensure a mutually beneficial agreement. Furthermore, to implement a good contract, both of the parties need to have an effective communication and collaboration process to ensure smooth execution of the contract terms. And the third one is to have contract monitoring in order to monitor supply performance and compliance and proactively address any issues that arise. Now, I will continue with inventory management and logistics. Just-in-time can help in minimize inventory levels by receiving materials and goods only as needed to meet customer demand. This approach reduces the cost associated with storing excess inventory and minimize waste from unsold product. Furthermore, an organization needs to have a safety stock where it can maintain a buffer of inventory to mitigate the risk of supply chain disruption and meet unexpected demand. Not only that, an organization needs to choose the most efficient and cost-effective transportation methods in order to deliver products to customers on time. Last but not least, sustainable and ethical procurement is very crucial because it ensures that the products and services that use are sourced in a way that minimizes environmental impact and promotes fair labor practice. First, we need to look at the environmental impact, which they need to consider the environmental footprint of the products and services being procured, prioritizing sustainable and eco-friendly. Next, an organization needs to have a social responsibility to ensure that suppliers adhere to ethical labor practice and comply with social and human rights standards. Failure to adhere to these legal requirements can result in significant penalties, including fines and reputational damage. In conclusion, the efficient process of supply chain and procurement can optimize procurement workflows to enhance productivity and reduce costs. Having an effective supplier relationship can help with cultivate strong partnership with suppliers to ensure reliable delivery and mutual benefit. Lastly, sustainable practices can help in prioritizing environmental and social responsibility in procurement decision. By integrating eco-friendly materials and fair trade standards into their supply chains, companies can reduce their environmental impact and promote ethical labor practices. That's all from me. Thank you.